Okay, and this is what the entire graph looks like right now. It actually looks more organized than anything I've ever made in my entire life. Pretty much. One thing I wanted to play around with was if I just changed the entire, like the pattern type thing. The proceduralism of this makes it so cool. We'll take it. Take this and, for example, start playing around with the round corners. For example, what would happen if I... That's so cool! Yeah! See, you can just do so much cool stuff when you make things procedural. Okay. Okay, that's a lot of fun. See, so you can just take this and do whatever the fuck you want with it. Sorry, I get way too excited. That's so fun. Something that's bothering me though is we made that one mandala thing. This one. This one is basically, where is it? Here? Let me see. If I were to put it in double. Oh, okay, that's better. You can get much more detail. Otherwise you can't even see the actual pattern. Okay, I think that's kind of cool. And then I want to do a different type of tiling for fun. What else could I do? Okay, so I just kind of started playing around with the proceduralism of it all and found out that you can make a bunch of stuff out of this. It's so much fun. Okay, so first of all, I took the tile random that we already had and rounded the corners, and just changing that already makes such a cute thing. This feels even more handmade for some reason. So that's one thing. Then I tried something with text. First of all, I just made a mask, and now you can also put in text, for example, doodle, and just watch it doing things. Ah! It's so integrated. It just feels so much like it was like made on purpose when it does this. I don't know. I feel like it feels so handmade, and I can just put whatever the friggin' frack I want in here. I can say, hey, sup. It randomly just took all of the same seed. What the fuck are you doing? I want it to be a little bit more, give me something more random. Okay. Sure, I'll take it. Yeah, so I'd say that's a wrapping paper. Or not. Oh, yeah, you could just put in the name of somebody. Oh, I could just say this is a present for Ellie. And then, okay. I mean, am I crazy? Or is this just too cute? Wait, I'm gonna do more of the thing called randomizing. Come on. I don't like it when too much of the same pattern is in here. So we have Ellie, she gets a present, then my mama gets a present. Ah, that's so legible. Okay, who else gets a present? My sister. So cute. Okay, I wasn't as excited before I did this, but now that I turned it into something else, now I can actually, like, I could make my name. Not that I really want to put my own name on the wall, but when it goes outside the lines, it's even better. How cool is that? Okay. Okay, if anybody wants their name like this, comment your name and maybe I'll send out some PNGs. Okay, cool. So that's a wrap. I'm not gonna make the wrapping paper joke again because not funny. It doesn't have to be this shape. It could be something else. It could be a freaking disc. So cool. It could be, oh wait, there's a star as well. Let's try star. That's terrible. Okay, no, not that one. What about polygon? And we can do, I mean, just for fun. We can make logos out of this. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm way too excited. Now I feel like I'm into this, and maybe it's not even that cool, but I find it really cool. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching, I guess, if at all. That was way more fun for me than I actually expected it to be. So I'll probably be making more videos. Okay. Subscribe.